What's going on, everybody? I'm just here sitting at a golf course. Very nice golf course, actually. My brother's getting married, my younger brother, and so I just wanted to take the time and say, you know what, Sash, I'm proud of you. You and Lisa are going to make a great couple. You already do make a great couple. You have some great kids. Hello, Isla and Kai. So yeah, they wanted to have a bachelor weekend, so what we're actually doing is we're going to go golfing, and that's what this whole video is about. The weekend of my brother's bachelor golf weekend, whatever you want to call it. So we're actually going to be playing at Wooden Sticks. I'm kind of nervous because I haven't played in several years, so yeah, I'm just going to focus more on filming, I guess. So all the best to you guys, and can't wait to see you guys at the wedding, and it's actually coming up very fast. I can't believe it. So guys, all the best. Enjoy the video, and see you soon. No, we got the cabin. It's kind of awesome actually in here. We've got 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own bathroom and shower. Like, pretty awesome. So I think we're gonna have a good night here. Just keep watching. Tee. Yeah, not very good, but okay. Here we go. The adventure starts. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've golfed. Not good. What's going on, everybody? Unfortunately, our last round is going to be canceled because it's raining, and we're not going to go play in the mud. But everybody had a great time here at Wooden Sticks. But all the best to my brother and Lisa in their upcoming marriage, and all the best, you guys. We had fun. Everybody made it to breakfast this morning. That's a good thing. And guys, take care. Love you both, and see you soon.